Successful logistics operations depend on three things: visibility, reliability, and on-time deliveries. RouteEye helps logistics organizations gain complete visibility across fleet operations, with real-time intelligence for vehicles, drivers, routes, and transportation assets through a single connected platform. Track delivery trucks, container carriers, cold chain vehicles, and logistics fleets in real time. Monitor trips, optimize routes, manage drivers, and receive instant alerts for delays, route deviations, breakdowns, and operational exceptions. Improve fleet safety with AI-powered monitoring, dual dash cams, driver behavior insights, and intelligent safety systems designed to protect drivers, vehicles, and valuable cargo. For specialized transportation like cold chain logistics and similar others, RouteEye integrates various IoT sensors and actuators, such as temperature sensors, vibration sensors, proximity sensors, gas sensors, moisture sensors, fuel level, and other IoT sensors and devices, including cameras, helping teams monitor cargo conditions, prevent fuel theft, and respond quickly to critical events. Vehicle compliance monitoring, automated document reminders, entry and exit tracking, trip history, inventory management, and operational analytics ensure every vehicle remains productive, compliant, and accountable. Dedicated driver apps and supervisor consoles keep field teams and operations managers connected at all times, enabling faster decisions, improved coordination, and more efficient fleet management. With real-time visibility, intelligent automation, safety monitoring, and powerful analytics, RouteEye helps logistics organizations improve efficiency, reduce losses, and deliver with confidence. RouteEye, smarter logistics operations. Book a demo today.